First article is New Population Policy Keeps All Section in Mind Aditya Nath. Here they are talking about new population policy. What is this new population policy? We will see here. What is the news means? Every section of the society must join in the awareness program for population control. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said on Sunday that new population policies 2021 to 2030. The major problem and prevailing the inequality in the society, increasing population can be obstacle to the development nation. Here we can see that there no gap between the birth of the two children. It naturally affected to the nutrition, and also if one child is born means within 1 year or 2 year, another child born means the children are not getting nutrition. That is also an awareness here they are mentioning. And we can see the new policy aims to decrease the total fertility rate from 2.7 to 2.1 by 2026 and 1.7 by 2030. You have to see here what is the aim of this new population policy means decreasing the fertility rate. They are kept the target to 2026 is 2.7 to 2.1, 2030 is 1.7 to 1.7 by 2030. And here we can see the modern contraceptive prevalence rate from the 31.7% to the 45% by the 2026 and 52% by 2030. This is a contraction used from the 10.8% to the 15.1. The data they given about clearly the population decreasing target. And we can see the one more the what is awareness about the population means awareness and extensive program would be held among those communities, cadres and geographical area that have the higher fertility rate. The policy read addressing the function this official residence to the chief minister said that what control population were linked to the comprehensive awareness in the society, and hence until the section of the society were made comprehensively awareness there will be a delay in the fulfilling various goals. Every section of the society has to be associated with the awareness campaigning. Here we can see the data what they are giving decrease in the total fertility rate in the articles, and one more thing increase modern contraceptive prevalence rate. Here the increase the modern contraceptive prevalence rate also we saw. This is why useful in the articles means we are in second portion population wise after the China, but in this article you have to see while writing answer what and all steps were taken for the reducing population. This is one example in the state of Uttar Pradesh, the new population policy. Next article is three more Zika cases take Kerala totally 18. We'll see what is this about Zika virus, why it is in the news. The recently we saw one more news that Zika virus disease was reported in the first time in the Kerala only. About what is the Zika virus, we'll see. What is news, we'll see. The more persons have tested positive for Zika virus in Kerala, talking the total number of cases reported so far 18. This is about new. We'll see the what is Zika virus. Zika virus is a mosquito borne flavivirus that was first identified in the Uganda in 1947 in monkeys. Later it's identified in the humans in 1952 in the Uganda and in United Republic of Tanzania. How it will be transmit virus means the Zika virus disease caused by the virus transmitted primarily by Aedes mosquitoes, mainly Aedes aegypti. This is same mosquito that is transmits dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever. Zika virus is also transmitted from the mother to the fetus during the pregnancy through sexual contact and transfusion for the blood and blood products and organ transformation. This is how Zika virus transmits. What are the symptoms of Zika virus means? Generally mild and include fever and conjunctivitis and muscles and joint pain, malaise or a headache, and most people with Zika virus infect to the not develop symptoms. And we'll see what is treatment of Zika virus means there is no vaccine or no medicine in the for Zika. Instead, the focus is on a relieving symptoms and includes the rest, rehydration and acetaminophen for fever and pain. This is about Zika virus, and you have to remember what is you have to remember in this article means the same mosquito bite causes dengue, chikungunya, and yellow fever also. And we'll see what they're telling in the Kerala now recently. What happened means The lab is diagnosed Zika has been reported only the Tirunanthapuram. However, given the high density of the Aedes species of the mosquitoes across the state and virus could be in the circulation across the state. Zika virus was confirmed in the three of the eight samples sent from the private hospitals in the city. You can see what is the worry here means microcephaly, which means the cause of the Zika virus infection in the pregnant woman is major concern. The district administration has sent a alert to the ultrasound scan center and gynecologists that special attention be paid to the fetal biometrical parameter. And the possibilities of Zika virus never struck us. The symptoms overlap with other virus fevers and that unless one specifically tested for Zika virus, we cannot confirm it. The six-member team of center held a discussion with the state official on the step to adapt. This is about what happened in Kerala. Zika virus and what is Zika virus detail about in this article. Next article is here a right to safe. Can see that this is one small article. The Uber and UNESCO are coming together to offer a free ride for the teacher vaccination campaign. This is teachers vaccination campaign. What is the given means? What is not yet out to the COVID-19 pandemic, which is continued to take high toll to the population and economic. Now still we are in the COVID-19 situation only, still we are suffering from the second waves. This is unpredictable health crisis has also certainly impact in the gain made of education sector over the last few years. In India alone, 1.5 million schools set down in 2020, affecting 320 million learners and infecting their education potential and well-being. This is the main concern why Uber and UNESCO are coming together to the free ride of teacher vaccination means the education field they are in the schools and all is closed and the affected for the 3 million learner, and we can see that as the country step up its effort to tackle the devastating effort of the second wave COVID-19, the national vaccination campaign has assumed the greater importance than ever before. So that we can finally move to the new normal, there is an urgent need to better recognize teachers as frontline workers and priorities them to the vaccination campaign. This is the concern. And next is already have been done by many state government. The model should be replicated national wide. This will not only be speed up the reopening for schools so that student can get back to the in-person learning but will also provide safety. And what is global participation in this article means the impact of the pandemic across the globe necessities and coordination response. Last year UNESCO launched the Global Education Coalition as a platform of collaboration to the protect right to education during the pandemic and beyond. The coalition brings together more than 175 members from the UN family and civil society, academic and the private sector, focusing on the three key issues, namely connecting teachers and genders to ensure the continuous access to the education for all. As we now begin to the reimagine the education in the post-COVID world, we must remember that renewed cooperation between the government and private sector can go to the long way. Partnership with the Uber, we have wished to the acknowledge the continued commitment to teachers to do their student and their critical role in the contributing to the achievement of 2030 target under the Sustainable Development Goal 4. Have to remember this is why the Uber and UNESCO they are campaigning together. And next is the what the crisis teachers have shown the great leadership and innovation in the ensuring that the learning never stop and that no learners is left behind. They have also helped communicating measures that prevents the spread of the virus and provide assistance to the ensure that mental well-being and children's. This is about the helping of the teachers campaign and free reading for the teachers vaccination campaign about these articles. Next article is Puri decade of the annual Ratha Yatra. In this article, Wilson is related to the art and culture also. We'll see detail about this Puri Jagannath temple. What is the news here means the annual Ratha Yatra decorated charities of the Lord Balabhadra, Lord Jagannatha and Devi Subhadra were positioned in the Badadanda in front of the 12th century Sri Jagannatha temple Puri Odisha. But you see this is the given here the 12th century Puri Jagannatha Odisha. What happening in this news means colorful chariot and Tala Dhoja of the Lord Balabhadra, Nandi Gosha of the Lord Jagannatha and the Devadalanda of the Devi Subhadra were pulled by the 7th traditional period to the temple. This was a second successive year that is world famous Ratha Yatra was being conducted without devotees in view of the prevailing the COVID-19 pandemic. This is second time that Ratha Yatra is happened in the COVID-19 situation. There will be no crowd and we'll see the about detail what is about speciality of this temple. The temple is believed to the construction in the 12th century by king of Ananta Varnaman Chudaganga Deva of the eastern Ganga dynasty. This temple built by the Ananta Varnaman Chudaganga, he belonged to the eastern Ganga dynasty. Jagannatha Puri temple is called a Yamanika Tirtha. You have to remember this temple is called a Yamanika Tirtha, where according to the Hindu belief, the power of Yama, the god of death, has been nullified in the Puri due to the presence of Lord Jagannatha. Jagannatha temple also called a white pagoda. You have to remember this is a part of Char Dhams are Badrinatha, Dwaraka, Puri and Rameshwaram. There are four gates to the temple. First eastern side we call the Singhdwara, which is main gate which is reaching to the lions, and southern Ashwa Dwara, and western is a Vayagra Dwara, and northern is a Astina Dwara. These are the four side gate temples, and in front of the entrance stands the Aruna Stambal or Sun Pillar, which was originally Sun Temple in the Konark. This is about this temple. This is important in the art and culture news. Next article is here one editorial is came about Rome looks to the Indo-Pacific. What is this Rome is why related to the Indo-Pacific region? We'll see in the detail. In the pushback against the China strategy, cooperation between the India, Italy, and Japan can ensure the free Indo-Pacific. What is the news means one of the sign of Indian growing centrality in the Indo-Pacific strategy architecture is its Bernie joining the engaging with the key Western nations, even countries which have been lackadaisical in their regional outreach. So far, we have begun to the approach the Indo-Pacific with the new seriousness and have been reaching out in New Delhi. The growth of Indian weight Indo-Pacific affairs comes at the time when it is becoming clearer that the complex region geopolitical problems cannot be addressed advocaatly by rigid and structural traditional alliance framework. But here what happening means talking about Rome, look the Indo-Pacific. Recently Italy has also begun to sign its intention to enter the Indo-Pacific geography. India and Japan in the trilateral partnership, this initiative. You can see the Italy's outreach. What happened means recently Italy has also begun to the signal its intention to enter the Indo-Pacific geography. Here, why the all countries are focusing for Indo-Pacific region only? We have to see the what is the Indo-Pacific region means. Intense geographical competition adding an increasing tensions on trade and supply chain as well as the technological, political and security areas. Here we can see the human rights are also being challenged. These developments increasingly threaten the stability and security of the regions and beyond, directly impacting on the UV interest. Here, see what is the aim for this Indo-Pacific only means to contributing to the regional stability, security, prosperity, and sustainable development at a time to rising challenge and tension in the region. Promoting rules-based multilateralism given centrality to Asian Association, Southeast Asian nations. And we'll see the in this article what happening means the Italy government headed the Prime Minister Marino Draghi has started play attention outside its immediate neighborhood again. At the same time, Italy has become the more vocal on the risk emanating from China's strategic competitive initiatives. And Indian side, if you see, means there is a great interest in the forging new partnership with like-minded countries interested in the preserving peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific. During a recent India-Italy-Japan trilateral organized by the Italian embassies in the India, Japan, you can see the Ministry of External Affairs reiterated to that the responsibility to the keeping the Indo-Pacific free and open, working for the welfare of inhabitants falls to like-minded countries within the behind the reasons. What is a clear strategy means the expression of interest on the Italian side. The first step towards this trilateral has been taken. It needs to evolve into something more significant. The Italian government must formulate a clear Indo Pacific strategy that must indicate its objectives and, above all, the means of initiatives to willing implement on its own and the cooperative with the partners. The trilateral cooperation key means India, Italy, Japan trilateral initiative can and should be formed to the posters through the consolidating strategy relationship between these three countries and specifically expand India Italy bilateral relationship. Stands relations between Rome and Tokyo are historically strong, and these between New Delhi and Tokyo are a strategic pillar of the free and open Indo Pacific. The next G20 leaders summit in the Rome in October before the presidency hand over to the Indian 2023 should be right opportunity for further trilateral coordination and economic and political issues at the institutional levels. To consolidate the trilateral cooperation in this field, the three countries need to define a common economic and strategical agenda. A strategical trilateral between India, Italy, and Japan has, in the medium to long term, a lot of potential. We have to see this is that their compatible economic system can create and mutually beneficial contribution to the reorganization of global supply chain that is now being renewed to the many players as a natural result of the China mismanagement of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the security levels, the well-defined Indo-Pacific partnership can easily be completed by Italy already present in the Western India Ocean, where it is engaged in the anti-suppressy operations up the coast of Somalia. At the multilateral level, three countries share the same value and same rules based on the worldview. We can see this is about the Italy in the particular should recognize interest of playing larger role in the towards the maintenance of a free and open Indo-Pacific robust India-Italy strategy ties can be first step towards the realizing of its goal. This is about article the Rome looks to the Indo-Pacific region. Why Indo-Pacific is reason is very important to the countries and what is the trilateral relationship between the Italy and Japan and India. This article is very important for international relations also and based on the Indo-Pacific region also. This is the today in the newspaper. Thank you for watching. Start from basic learn until death. Keep learning. First article is inflation remains above 60% in June. Already we saw many news is coming about related to inflation. Here what they're telling in the news means fuel and light inflation touches 12.7%, oil, fats and eggs lead food price spike. You can see here rising of fuel prices, inflation also rising. After surging 6-month high in the May, retail inflation remains virtually unchanged in the June at the about 6.3%, staying out of the central bank comfort zone for the second month in a row. The economist expects the Reserve Bank of India to revisit its inflation estimate of 5.1% for 2021 to 2022 and stressed that the lack of fiscal policy action to cool prices could precipitate a faster unwinding of the RBI growth supporting approach to the interest rate. This is what happening in the news means the product prices continuing to the fuel and light inflation is 12.7%. You have to remember fuel and light prices 12.7% in June from 11.9% in the May. The food inflation which add 2 to the April and 5 in the May and rise further lead to 34.8% inflation rate. Oils and fats in 19.4% in the what here the consumer price index declined just for the basis point from the May 6.30% as per the National Statistical Office. This is the how it will be equal to the basic point is 0.01% of the inflation. We'll see the what is inflation. in this article highlighted in the green mark. That is the key point you have to be studying. In economics, inflation is in a general rise in the price level of economy, covers period of time when general price level rises each units of the currency by fewer goods and services. Consequently, inflation reflects reduction of purchasing power per unit of money. You can say that a loss of real value in the medium of exchange and unit of the account within the economy. We already know that there are three types of inflations: the demand pull inflation, cost push inflation, built-in inflation. These are three types of inflations. The measurement of inflation means the wholesale price index and consumer price index and product price index. These are the measurement of inflations. And we see if inflation is rising and falling means what is effect on the economy means the effect of inflation is not distributed evenly in the economy. We know that inflation will be not distributed equally. It will rise and fall because of rising of the fuel price, and sometime it will be less price for the some goods and services. Like that, based on the goods and services, inflation will be decrease and increasing. Here we can see there are a chances of hidden cost of different goods and services in the economy. And we can see the sudden or unpredictable inflation rates are harmful to the overall economy. This is also have to be keep in mind. Suddenly and unpredictable inflation rate are harmful to the overall economy. And next is what effect will happen means the inflation can act as a drag on the productivity as the companies are forced to mobilize resources away from the products and services to handle the situation of profit and losses from inflation. Moderate inflation enables labor market to reach the equilibrium at a fastest pace. And what is important term of inflation means the reduce in the rate of inflation, and next is persistently decreasing the price level in the say negative inflation, and reflection means price level increasing when economic recovers from the recession based on value of inflation. And we can say the crippling inflation means it is the rate of inflation in the low up to the 3%. These are the some important terms as related to the inflation. You have to be remember what is inflation and why inflation is important and when rise and fall inflation happen. And in this article, it will show clearly on the one curve they are showing on a eye. The retail inflation is slightly in the 6.2% in the June 2021, and again it is 6.3% recorded in the May, but the remain above the RBI's upper limits of 6% for second consecutive month. You can see the what they are showing in the curves that compared to the June 2019 to June 2021. This is about the inflation. These articles. Next article is IT rules. Supreme Court gives petitionary a week's time. We know already what is the IT rules and why it's important. We'll see the what is happening in the news. The Supreme Court on Monday gave a week's time for a petitionary to study the inflation technology, intermediary guidance, and a digital media ethic code. Already this code is released to the rule of 2021 to verify whether it is address the issue of the commonly sensitive content posted on the social media platform. Here, what happening means a bench led to the Justice of India N.V. Raman even suggested that the petitioner advocate Haziuddin could approach the government apex court on the suggestion of Delhi Telangana High Court. It thought the direction to the government to restrain the social media platform from the carrying Islamophobic content on their timelines and the direct CBI or NI probe against Twitter and its user involved in the putting out in inflammatory posts. The petition referred to the how massive publicity was given by the media that may of positive cases symptoms of coronavirus were found from the Taliban, Jamaat and Nizamuddin at Delhi. This is related to the case. The petition contended that there was a massive trending of tweets on Twitter attaching the Muslim religion to the cause of spread of coronavirus. Here, aggressive with the trending on Twitter under the name of style Ashline Islamic Coronavirus Jihad etc. This and all, it will be like this hash lines and all, it will show the violation to the between religions. And one more thing you have to observe, it is an amounted to the promoting address against to the particular religions, which is criminal offense both under the Indian Penal Code and the Information Technology Act of 2020. They are telling clearly this is against to the religions, means it will be offense to the criminal only. This is a democratic country, no one should mention the particular religion and all. Here, the ash line included in the Twitter, this is a particular related to the one religion. The petition filled in the May asked by the Court of Direct and Government to frame the specific guideline under the Information Technology Act of 2000 about 8 messages against any religion's community, including Islamophobic posters on various social media platforms. We can see here the petitioner, however, argued that the rules did not consider religions but only defamatory content. The new rule was notified on the February 25 under the Information Technology Act 2000. It regulates social intermediary content, digital media, and addressing the cybercrime. It comes in the place of Information Technology Intermediate Guideline Rules 2011. Different aspects of new rule are under judicial scanner. The government has recently moved to apex court to transfer the cases pending against it various high courts. Here we can see the government transfer petition is likely to come up before the bench led by the justice, and Justice of Right Foundation cases pending before this bench of primarily concern the regulation content shown over the top platforms. This bench has been examined the issue to the backdrop of the new IT rules. We'll see some information about what is the new IT rules. These rules broadly deals with the social media and over the top of the platform. Already we saw in the articles. These rules have been framed in the excess of the power under section of 87 class 2 of the Information Technology Act 2000 and the supersession of the earlier Information Technology Intermediate Guideline Rule of 2011. Here you can see that it included social media and digital news also. Background of this one is means here we can see the social media means identify the first originator or content of the authorities consider anti-nationals, and it will appointing the grievance officer resolve complaint in a 15 days. Here we can see the social media and digital news, what is happening in IT news. And here this is the new IT rule is it will be hate for the any violation of the particular religious is related and anything it's affecting for the religion, this and all will not come in under this is against to the this type of news. Next article is liquidity buffer at the NBFC cushions fall in Q1 collections. What happening in the news means we have to see the before going to the article, what is the liquidity you have to see. Why is important in the liquidity in the economy you have to see. Liquidity means how quickly you can get your hands on your cash. In simpler terms, liquidity is a get your money whenever you need it. Liquidity means whenever you need it, that time you have to get the money in your hands. Here we have to see the liquidity might be your emergency saving account or that cash lying with your that you can access in case of any unforeseen happening for any financial setback. Liquidity also play an important role as in allow you to see size opportunities. What is happening in the liquid means you have the cash and easy access to fund and a great deal come along, then it easier for you seize that opportunity. Cash saving account, checkable account are liquid asset because they can be easily converted into cash as and when is required. This is about the liquidity. And what is the news in this article means higher liquidity covers at NBFC enables them to service debit on the near terms and cushion the impact of the lower collection during the second wave COVID-19. CRISIL ratings said in the study of entities rates by the agency. That is change from last year when asset quality and liquidity fear multiplied after a moratorium of the repayment and the stringent lockdown affected collection. This time around the build up in the liquidity has been as crucial upset. The rating agency said, adding that the collection had again been affected in the current fiscal by the second wave. In the wake of second waves, the CRISIL conducted the study considering two stressed case scenarios. In the first scenario is the view of the collection challenge in the first quarter of financial year 2022. It assumed the collection over the next quarter of 70% of the level in the past couple of the quarters. In the second scenario, in collection were assumed to be alive. In the scenario 1, 96% of NBFC were found to have in the quality cover the have liquidity cover for the 3 months worth of debit repayment. In the scenario 2, you can see the number was only marginally lower than 95%. Based on the scenario 1, only 4% of NBFCs have lower less than one time compared with 80% in the June 2020 and 23 in the April 2020. We can say that the pointed out that the number of NBFC had increased provision to levels in the past two physical years and had thus enhanced the buffers for the asset side risk. This is about liquidity. Next article is here the concern about in the COVID time situation, the children's education. We'll see the what and all the some data covered in this article. Prioritizing school reopening on the road to recover. Here they're talking about the school reopening to the this after a long back time the children are staying home, their education still it's online class also not fulfilling and they're mentally stressed and they are not studying, the even parents burden also is there. They're not getting that environment to study in the where they are staying. We'll see the what and all points are covered in this article. Children have long both the cast of the school closer and the evidence-based decisions towards the reopening necessity. Here we can see the most schools in the India have been closed since the national lockdown started in the March 2020. Only they started the closing of the schools in the lockdown time. What are the costs of the keeping the school closed? How do these costs compare against to the risk of school reopening? We delve into these questions. Concerned parents with school-aged children and experienced the teachers and also as an practicing scientists who have followed data publication on this topic over the last 15 months. Last 15 months onwards, the data collection and they are thinking about the children should learning in the some platform. It's better to the future also. World which have been was hit by the novel coronavirus pandemic, the India novel coronavirus pandemic, then India have kept their school, especially primary schools, mostly open. This includes various European countries such as Portugal, France, and Netherlands, etc. The state of Florida, United States, opened the schools for person classes in the last September 2020, and they stayed open through their second wave. On the other hand, in India, the schools have mostly been set, even other business have opened. You have to observe the schools are closed and other business have opened. What are the impact of closing of cost of the school closure are immense. People make considerable investment in their children's education as way towards the better future and the better living standard. Even prior to the pandemic, there was a huge attainment gap across the students, especially higher grade. The bottom of the children's passing class 10th are about 2 years behind in the term of skill. Prolonged school closure has already widened this gap. What will this do to their future? Does it not push a next generation deeper into the poverty? Here, the poverty means the talking about education only. We have to see the urban slums who borne the brunt of the first wave and are now largely immersed from the virus itself show the zero surveys are the ones suffering the most from the school closures. The prolonged schools shutdown has certainly set back India quite against ill such as child labor, child marriage. Due to the shutdown of the schools, midday meal scheme have been disrupted even as early as June 2020. It was estimated about the 80,000 additional children would face underweight and wasting. This measurement taken to the because of the school children, they are not able to study and all. They are the government is studying the free midday meals scheme for the children for the to remove the malnutrition to the and underweightage and wasting of the children. Here we can see the concern of health well-being concern here they are talking. Even in the well of urban India and Indian development nation, extended school closer to having the several impact on the children mental health. Here we can see the forced school the reopening January 2021. The United Kingdom reported in the number of children taking antidepressant. Here we can see the assessing the risk factor means we must realize that the grateful that risk COVID-19 for children much lower than for the adults and so is so also lower than the other risk children face in the daily life anyway. Based on the study of one 137 million school-age children in the US and the Europe group the has observed the COVID-19 is this age group is less than half of as risk as seasonal influenza and over 20 times less risky than death by the unintentional injury. Here we can study among the nearly 2 million children in the Sweden have been open throughout, found that there was not a single child death due to the COVID-19. This is to be observed. As per the Mumbai dashboard data, the COVID-19 infection fertility rate and for the under 19 is a miscalculation about 0.003%. In the comparison, the infant fertility rate in India about 3%, thousand times greater, and the infant mortality rate in the Japan in one of the lowest 0.18% for 6 times greater. We have to see that these data are given the compared to the adults and the what is happening in the children. Here we can see the teacher's essential stop. What is a teacher essential? Learning is a process we have to be learned, but with learning teachers also important to the development of education field. We have to see the next question is the are teachers or parents at the higher risk of the catching the COVID-19? The school reopening, you have to see, you have to think about the teachers also. Over the last year, there has been a several careful scientific studies across the various regions in Europe, US, and measuring role in the person classes in COVID-19 spread. The overwhelming to the conclusion in that of the risk of COVID-19 spread in the schools is minimal compared to other location for further reducing the concern among the teachers. The government must treat them to the for with the essential workers and offer them to the priority vaccination. Vaccination for the children. They are talking about vaccination for the children. So there has been recently been talk about the trying school reopening the vaccination for the children. Any medical intervention, especially in the children, must be based on the careful risk benefit analysis. It is a pertinent to note that there are growing the concern of in the US potential link between the heart inflammation and the mRNA vaccine among the adolescents. Further, scientists written that the British Medical Journal here the rarity of the service COVID-19 outcome for children means that this trial cannot demonstrated that the balance of the benefit vaccination against to the potential. These about the facts of the reopening of the school and you have to be see the concern of the student also and what is the future they will learn. This is also important. The education is most powerful weapon. We can change the anything also. But here in the COVID-19 situation, this is the everyone is locked down in their home. But this education, this COVID-19 is affected clearly. They are saying about for education also. We'll see what will be happening in the children's. This is about the today in the newspaper. Thank you for watching. Start from basic learn until let's keep learning.